Welcome to How to Solve. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok bug if you can't follow users on TikTok. So first you need to do is to open your TikTok app and then tap on the three lines icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Cache and Cellular and tap on Free Up Space. Clear both cache and downloads to refresh your TikTok. And next is to close the TikTok app and then open it again. And to do that, simply swipe up on the bottom part of your screen and then close the TikTok app. Try and see if it fixed the issue. But if it doesn't, you can also try to uninstall the app and reinstall it again. And maybe this is just a bug and this may fix it by reinstalling the app. Check again and I hope this time it will fix the issue. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.